Welcome. Today we are dealing with collective nouns. We already know that nouns are of different types. Sometimes nouns can be singular or plural. In some cases, a group of things, animals, or people of the same category of or type is represented as a single entity. This is called collective nouns. They are not the same as plural form of the noun. Let us illustrate an example to understand the same. When there is only one star, it is in the singular form and we say star. When there is more than one, we say stars. But when the stars act as a group, then we say a cluster of stars. A band of musicians, a board of directors, a choir of singers, a class of students, a crowd of people, a gang of thieves, a panel of experts, a team of players, a troupe of dancers. We are now looking at collective nouns used for people. Here are some examples of collective nouns used for animals. An army of ants, a litter of puppies, a pack of wolves, a hive of bees, a flock of sheep or birds, a pride of lions, a team of horses, a herd of deer, a school of fish, a murder of crows. Each of these images are examples of their respective collective nouns. Take a look at these collective nouns for things. A bouquet of flowers, a bunch of grapes, a fleet of ships, a forest of trees, a galaxy of stars, a pack of cards, a pair of shoes. Here too, the pictures are indicative of their respective collective nouns. We should treat a collective noun as singular or plural depending on the context of the sentence. When the unit is acting in unison, it is appropriate to use the singular form. And when the members of the unit are acting as individual, it is appropriate to use plural form of the verbs and pronouns. Take a look at the example cited below to understand it better. Once you have decided whether your collective noun is singular or plural, stay consistent throughout your sentences. If you are using your collective noun in singular form, remember to use the singular form of pronouns and verbs in the sentence. If you are using your collective noun as a plural form, then remember to use the pronouns and verbs in the sentence in the plural form. Take a look at these example sentences. The first one uses singular verb and singular pronoun for the collective noun class. And in the second sentence, the collective noun class has a plural form of pronouns and verbs in the sentence. Hope the concept of collective noun is clear. Try to use the collective nouns you have seen in this presentation in sentences to form a better understanding of collective nouns.